Thanks, Kodian. It's time now for our Bites of the Week. This week it comes from the debate about guard rings. Dickie Banton, a self-proclaimed prophet, insists that the rings are a necessary accessory for spiritual protection. But Bishop Rowan Edwards, who heads the Lighthouse Ministries in Jamaica, strongly rejected those views. Here are our Bites of the Week.
Satan after you and wicked people after you. So you have a guard from either one or the other. And if you have a good guard, you're being protected from the two. Because Satan are going to do everything to win your soul. And man are going to do everything to kill you. Hello, man a kill man for better looks. Man a kill man for prettier woman. Man a kill man because he say I want a good job. Man a walk up here because man get promotion over them. Hello, the thing hot.
A lot of them from Spanish Town who said they were wearing guard rings, I buried them at Dovecut and Meadows and number 5. So if that's your belief, it is harming our young people. It is hurting our boys who are in school right now, struggling to get an education.